Hi, Jen here. Today we are doing this green glam. We're going for eyeshadow first, and to prime my eyelids I am using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. What I'm thinking is doing my signature soft glam on the lids, and on my lower lash line I will add a pop of green. For my eyeshadow today I will be using my Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. Like I said, this is my signature glam, so first of all I'm going to go with this shade here. This is the shade Strike. It's the deepest brown of the palette, and I'm going to focus this on my outer V, and I'm using a Morphe M443 brush. To diffuse the edges of the deep brown, I am gonna go in with this lighter brown, and I'm using a Jessup fluffy brush. On my eyelid, I am going to use the second lightest shade. It's a matte shade. I'm going to pack this in the inner part of my eyelids using this flat fluffy brush, I'd say, from Jessup. I'm going back with my fluffy brush, and I'm going to mix the lightest brown and the deepest brown together to blend the edges of the light cream shade just here. On my eyelids, I am going to use my trusty Urban Decay Moon Dust in the shade Space Cow. You already know. Space Cowboy. Okay, great. And I'm using my fingers to apply it on my lid. I love this stuff. I use it on a daily basis. Well, I use it every time I do my makeup. It is just so pretty on the eyes. Okay, now let's move on to the face. First primer I am using, you already know, it's in my project pan. All the products I am using today are in my project pan. I'm so sorry if it's repetitive. A girl needs to do what she has to do. A girl has to do what she needs to do. A girl gotta do what she needs to do. Her girl has to do what she has to do. A girl needs to do what she has to do. If it's not the proper sentence, please drop it down below in the comment section. But basically, I'm using my products, and I know it's gonna be repetitive, but I'm sorry. So the Revelation Star Primer and Discontinued, for that matter of fact. Also of Lymphe. Second primer I am using is the L'Oreal Infallible Infallible Matte Look Primer. It's a matte primer because I am an oily skin girly. Next, I am using my Glotion by L'Oreal to add a little bit more glow on my skin. For foundation, I am using my Maybelline foundation, the Superstay one and the Fit Me one, and I'm also going to use my LA Girl Pro Foundation Mix Pigment in the shade Blue, so it neutralizes my foundation a bit. I am blending this out using my beauty sponge. It is damp. The first concealer I'm going in with is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. To bronze my face, you already know I'm going in with my Flawless Foundation by e.l.f. in the shade Chocolate. For blush, I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Glaze. For concealers to highlight, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer and the e.l.f. Brightening Pen. The L'Oreal concealer is in the shade 395 and the brightening pen is in medium 32N. To set under my eyes, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium 30, and then I will also go in with my Revolution powder in the shade Banana Deep. To set the rest of my face, you already know I'm going in with my NYX No Filter powders. Yes, powders. To bronze and contour at the same time, I'm going with my Black Radiance palette in the shade Dark to Deep, as well as my CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony. For blush, I'm using my Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Rendezvous. Now I'm going in with my Revelation Banana Deep Powder to brighten under my eyes. To place my brows, I will be using the Essence Make Me Brow. This is in the shade Brownie Brows. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. Okay, lashes are on. I have a simple pair of lashes from Shein. And now for the lower lash line, for the pop of green, first of all, I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue. Just gonna add a little bit to the lower lash line to make sure that the green eyeshadow pops. I think I'm gonna use my finger. I think it's a bit risky, but YOLO. For the pop of green, I am going in with my Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette. This is the Oceanic palette. I'm first gonna go in with the shade Turtle. And in my inner corner, I will add the shade Jellyfish, which is this one here. For bottom lash, I'm using my little sample of the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. For highlighter, I'm using my favorite highlighter, which is a limited edition. It was the MAC times Patrick Starrr in Baby It's Gold Outside. It's a big pan and I think I'm never gonna run out of highlighter ever. And why should I buy more highlighter when I have this one, which is amazing, and I love her. Okay, for lip liner, you already know I am using my dollar store, no, not dollar store, my beauty supply store lip liner. For lipstick, I'm using my e.l.f. lipstick that is in my project pan. It's pretty pink, but don't worry. For lip gloss, I'm going in with my I Heart Revolution Chocolate Lip Gloss in the shade Salted Caramel. To intensify my lip liner, I am using this brown lip gloss. It was sent to me by a small business brand. I don't know if they still exist, but yeah, I'm using this. And to top it off, I want to use this Catrice. It's the Generation Plump and Shine lip gloss. This is in the shade Crystal Rock. Alright, so this is it for this green glam makeup tutorial. I really hope you had fun watching this. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and join the squad. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you all on my next one.